I want to be honest with you today. Before I started this digital business, sobrang takot talaga ako magpakita online. I was scared to talk on the camera. I was scared people would judge me. I was scared if they would think, sino ba tong babaeng to? And because of that fear, I keep holding myself back for a long time. Every time I try to record, nanginginig talaga yung kamay ko, my voice would shake. Ang dami ko ang tanong sa sarili ko eh. What if I look awkward? What if people will laugh? What if I'm not good enough? Pero deep inside my heart, I know God was asking me to trust Him. Parang sinasabi niya nga sa akin eh, "Anak, I give you story, don't hide it. Someone need your voice." So one day, I decided to show up even if I was scared. My first video was not good. My second was still awkward, promise. Pero hindi ko hinayaan na yung takot ang mag-control sa future ko. Mm, I keep reminding myself that growth starts when we step outside the comfort zone. And little by little, I felt my confidence growing. Not because I became perfect, but because God was strengthening me every time I tried. Now, when I look back, I'm grateful I didn't let fear win. So, if you're listening to me right now and you also feel scared to start something, I want you to know it's okay to feel that way, but don't let fear stop you. You know, sometimes the thing you're scared of the most is the same thing that will open the door to the life you're praying for. Take the step. Do it with trembling hands if you need to. God will meet you there. Bye for now. Ciao.